Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at cases from Otterbox for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the popular cases from Otterbox. We have the Defender Pro, we have the Commuter, and we have the Symmetry. We're taking a look at not only the overall fit and finish of these cases on your phone, but we're also going to do a wireless charging test. So let's get to the first case that we're going to take a look at, and that's going to be the Symmetry. Now one of the things that all these cases have in common is that they have great drop protection. You can see that this has a 3 times drop tested, 3 times, and then this one has a 4 times, meaning that, you know, the distance in which these cases with the phone inside can be dropped from is going to be superior as you go down the line. So again, superior protection. I personally have had Otterbox on my phones for a very long time, for years, and I've never had a problem with them. So let's take a closer look. Now the very first case we're taking a look at is the Symmetry case, and this case has a combination of polycarbonate material and TPU material that's really going to protect your phone. What I like about this clear case is that the clear case is going to give you an ability to really showcase the color of the phone that you've selected. Because let's face it, most phones, it's not actually all Samsung phones, the color only applies to the back, the front is the same color. So as you take a look at the case here, you'll notice that, again, really nice squish-proof sides, has some nice buttons here. This is soft on the bottom. On the top it's firm. As a matter of fact, when you're going to take this off, you're always going to start from the bottom because the top is so firm, it's not going to peel off easily. It's always going to peel off easily from the back. So let's go ahead and put it on our phone and see what it looks like. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the overall screen protectant you got. And with Otterbox, you really can't go wrong. You notice how you have some really great screen protection here on sides. Oh, and by the way, I do have a dome glass tempered glass screen protector on this phone, and it is compatible. You have, again, nice responsiveness here. As soon as you push the button, it just turns on nicely. And as you flip this over, you can see that you have, again, you can see the color of your phone in the back. You're going to get some nice protection here. Now, as I take a look at this, I will tell you that the screen itself, or the protection for the camera module is decent. It's there. But one thing, I do have a dome glass camera module protection, the glass back protection. So what I'm noticing is that it's kind of flush with the actual case. If I were to remove it, if I were to remove the glass, it would definitely be above the case itself. Now the first thing that we're going to take a look at is the overall screen protection. You can notice here that the phone does really get protected well. You notice how high the lip here is. Now the first thing we're going to take a look at is the overall screen protection. As you can see here, really, it raises far above the screen. And I have to say I have a dome glass screen protector on this phone, and it's compatible. It's also compatible with the AM film version that we've done on the channel as well. So here you'll notice everything looks nicely aligned. You can notice all the cutouts are well cut out. Over here you can see that you have the little logo there from Otterbox. Pinhole mic. If we think about the responsiveness, it responds well. If we were to check the overall wireless charging, it wireless charges as well. As you can see, it's charging. And then on the back here, if you look at the camera protection, it does a nice job of protecting the camera. Now I have a dome glass camera, I'd say protector here. So there's a glass protector on top of my camera module, so it's rising just slightly above the actual rim that you have here, but that's because I have that module protection in place. Now the next case you're taking a look at is the Commuter Series, and the Commuter Series is, again, has polycarbonate, right? Has internal TPU, so this is really flexible TPU, and it's going to provide a lot of drop protection. Again, because of this TPU material, it's going to serve as a cushion, and you'll notice that it raises above the case itself. So while you have a polycarbonate back here, you'll notice as I push out how the TPU comes out, it kind of raises apart. It's almost like, think about it like when you have an egg carton and you have eggs inside of the carton, how it separates it. This is what's going on here. So this is going to give you really nice protection. So let's go ahead and put it on our phone and see how it looks. Now this too, from a screen protection, does a fantastic job. You'll notice that it raises really nicely here on the sides. You have great bumper protection on the sides there. The buttons here are pretty responsive, so I press the button, it turns on nicely. You'll notice all the cutouts, and we'll make sure that everything snaps nicely into place here. That TPU is kind of like a glove, and what it's doing is it's protecting our port. So I'm just going to pull this out so that I can pull that out so you can see that. So here's the port protection, right? So you can either cover it or leave it open. What I end up doing is I typically cut it off. I know that's kind of weird, but I do use either wireless charging or USB-C, and I don't really care for opening this up. So I just typically cut it around here and just leave it exposed. That's just what I do. Now everything else you'll notice is cuts out really nicely. Over here you have kind of like a little grip section. Over here you have your pinhole mic. Let me make sure that everything is nicely aligned there. and that lines nicely. On the back, you get really, really good module protection for your camera. You'll notice that right here, really well protected, even with the dome glass protection on the back. Besides that, everything else looks good, so let's try the wireless charging and see if it works. Put it in place, and it also wireless charges. Now, the last case we're taking a look at is the Defender, and I have to think back that I think the very first Otterbox case I ever had was a Defender version, and that's because they're so durable, and they have this fantastic, fantastic belt clip. So really durable. I've never really had any one of these like ever break on me, and the cool thing about this is that you can actually use this as a media viewing solution, because as you can see right here, once you put that clip in place, it holds up really nicely, and if you want to remove it, you just push right here and it pops out. You have a nice hook here that's going to hook into your belt nicely, and then you also have the ability to rotate this. So if you work outdoors, or even if you're indoors and you just want to make sure that you keep your phone securely with you, this thing is going to keep it in place. And the nice thing about it is that you can mount it either this way or on the outside. So you have two ways to do this. Now, the other thing that I like about this series is when you press right here, let's see if that comes up, it has almost like memory foam, right? That's protecting. It's going to cushion your phone and give you even more protection than any of the other cases that we saw. So this is a two-part case. So it has the memory foam on the back. It has polycarbonate. It does have also like a TPU all the way around. It's a rough TPU. So there's kind of like a little frame in here. So you notice how this frame right here goes all the way around. So let's go ahead and put it on our phone and see what it looks like. Now, as you take a closer look at this case, you'll see what type of protection you're getting. Again, I have a dome glass screen protector on here, no problems. You'll notice again, great protection. This is super protection. It has nice bumpers on each side, excessive bumpers, I would say. You can notice how all the cutouts work out well. Notice the back is really well protected. Your stylus or your S Pen is protected. You have, again, this compartment that you can leave on or off. You already know what I do sometimes with this. And what we'll do is we'll check and see the actual wireless charging and see if it supports wireless charging still. And it looks like with all of this material, it does too. So guys, that wraps up our review of these cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. Bottom line is you can't go wrong with either of them. Just choose the one that fits your lifestyle.